Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. I'm Ao. In today's video, I'm doing day number 149, and and for this drawing, I thought about a lot of different things. I thought about studying anatomy and kind of struggling with anatomy. So for the past couple of weeks, but I've always wanted to do some painting, body painting studies and all of that. So I just decided to draw this portrait. I'm gonna call it an anatomy study. People can call it whatever they want, but yes, I spent some time on it. So I really enjoy drawing it. This is the type of art I really enjoy drawing. So I think I'm gonna draw more of it. It's just how far can I go and post it online? That's sort of the idea, but I will try to keep it decent and I'll try to keep it decent. That's basically what I'm trying to say. But yes, I had a great time. Not only did I study anatomy for this drawing, but I also studied the painting, especially painting muscles and skin, and I practiced a lot of painting hair because I have my own way of painting hair, but I was trying to study other artists' ways of painting hair, but I gave up in the end. I just went back to my own way of painting hair. Even if it's not the ideal, I kind of enjoy doing it that way. And yeah, that's all about it. I think I'll make more of these type of painting studies, anatomy studies as a part of my daily art, because it is art, right? So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will upload the PSD and Medibang files on my Patreon tier 2. And what else? Yeah, Patreon, I've uploaded most of my templates on there right now. Some tutorials have been uploaded, and I will upload more tutorials this coming week. That's about all. I have nothing else more to say. Please feel free to subscribe, help my channel grow. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram. That's where I'm mostly active, and I'm also that's where I mostly comment on other people's artwork, is on Instagram. So feel free to follow me there and tell me you're coming from YouTube as well. So that is all for today's drawing. I will see you guys in the next one, which is 150 days of art. So I hope you guys have a great day. Bye bye.
Thank